Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about 3 marketing agencies that are underrated by the market, but have good results and positive reviews. The first one is TGE Company. This company has been on the market for over a year and already has a good reputation. As we see, it had large and well-known clients. Here we can see Discipline, Token Box, Local CoinSwap, and some others. We also can see that they represent technical tools such as smart contracts and private offices, but the main specialization still lies in the community and bounty management, and of course crowd marketing. If everything is clear with the community and bounty management, let's stick to the community growing tab. Bitcoin Thread Pump. It is one of the oldest services on the market. Currently, there are a lot of discussions at the expense of this type of promotion about how effective it is. I think there is no definite answer. Everything depends on the quality of this service. As far as I know, this company has a great experience in Bitcoin Talk Pump, and you can rely on them without doubt. If we talk about hidden marketing, Reddit is one of the most underrated channels to attract traffic. It is an American discussion website with an attendance of more than 1 billion people per month, and one of the best places to make everyone know about your project. According to service or brandinggalley.com, an average Reddit user is a 34-year-old American with an income from $50,000 to $75,000. This company offers the creation of 10 topics in popular subreddits and brings them to the top inside these Reddits. It usually takes about 2 or 3 weeks. Investors get about 600 views with a high conversation. Well, as for AirDrop, I would also advise you to pay proper attention to this method of promotion. First of all, unlike Bounty, people enter the advertising campaign faster and more willingly, spread the information, and due to this, reach a huge number of people. As far as I know, TGE Company uses a special bot that attracts from 30 to 90,000 people. The next agency is Serion. This is a fairly strong and large agency. It is based in San Francisco and has existed for over 2 years. This company has developed its own investment attraction platform, which is successfully functioning and has already helped to raise funds for 9 clients. Let's have a look at details. There are several clear advantages, and a well-developed legal component is the most prominent for me. Not every ACO has a full-time lawyer, so they often try to hire a third-party expert, advisor, or even try to cope on their own. However, this approach can often play against them. In this platform, all these issues are already provided, and you don't need to spend your time on them. Kick, accreditation of partners, or even legal partners are the platform itself. I think it's very cool. The next advantage is security. In the first 6 months of 2018, ACO attracted about $12 billion, while fees for the same period last year amounted to $5.5 billion. An interesting fact that about 7% of these funds were stolen by hackers. I think after that there is no need to talk about the importance of security system. Therefore, if you don't have a security department, I would strongly recommend you to pay attention to this platform. This company assists in development of reliable smart contracts, protection against attacks, and also monitors general technical security. It is also more convenient to have the ability to customize the system for yourself, integration with marketing services, and so on. Well, the system is good developed, and I think the confidence in the safety of the organization of your ACO is worth the requested funds. Let's stick to the last agency, Element Group. Well, this company represents 4 main services: advisory services, trading, token release platform, and asset management. Let's see what exactly is offered the services of an advisor. The consultation almost all areas, ranging from promotion to funds management and consulting on technical issues. Currently, advisory services are becoming more and more popular. A qualified advisor can take the project to absolutely new level, increase the level of trust. I believe that the most important area that should be covered by an advisor is technical. One consultation on legal issues or general structure of an ACO won't be superfluous either. This company has already held a lot of ACO and definitely has something to share. Below we see a small roadmap on the organization of an ACO. By the way, I would like to know that everything is written very well and you can say this hymn for yourself. Well, in the end I would like to say that all marketing agencies and ACOs in general. At present, it is very difficult to conduct an ACO without external help due to the high competition. Therefore, in any case, you will need to use the services of professionals. Be very careful when choosing an agency. Specify all the information, ask customer reviews, monitor the market. Most services can be done at better price. Don't limit yourself to agencies that are widely known. There is no guarantee of high services. Well, bye.